welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 394 XP chainsaw. Very powerful chainsaw, 94cc range. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is on the left. Choke is on the right. Has the operator presence lever. It will not throttle up unless your hand's in place. Decompression valve, the blue button right here. Always a nice feature when starting this high compression motor. Started on the ground using the foot pad. Foot in place, good grip on the handlebar, and you can start this high compression motor. Foot pad always also functions as a hand protector in case of a chain throwing incident. You can see you do have some protection. Side load on the gas as well as the oil reservoir. It's got the heavy duty vibration isolation motor mounts, spring mounts, a very smooth operation. Has wrap handlebars, large falling spikes, working chain brake. And that's a new 404 chain, heavy duty cutting, sprocket nose replaceable. It has 3 rivets. That is a 63 gauge chain, 404 skip sequence, skip being spacing between the teeth, square tooth, chisel bit, very fast cutting chain. Chain tensioner, loosen 2 bar nuts up. Chain tensioners on the inside. If you've been looking for these very powerful chainsaws from Sweden, here's a very nice one.